There are certain things you should never do. And I see people doing this, but it really is risky. If you do it, you risk getting your account cancelled. You won't be able to get on Amazon anymore. They'll just ban you for life, and that's it, you're done. There are some dubious practices which people are sort of feel that, yeah, they can get away with it because they've checked the rules, and the way that they're actually doing it, they can still get away with it. Even though they might get away with it, it's only a matter of time before Amazon tighten up, and it still is a grey area. It's thin ice. And I'll talk about it later on why you don't want, but see, because the reviews that you get from using dubious methods are not really good reviews, because they're not going to persuade readers in the way that a genuine review will. Anyway, let's first talk about what not to do. This one is a big no-no. Do not pay for reviews. Don't do it. Now, I read a book a while ago, and don't get me wrong, the book was good. It had a lot of good ideas. In fact, I found ideas in it which helped me with my book sales. But not all ideas in the book were good. And one of those ideas was to pay for reviews. Suggesting there's websites like Fiverr, where you could go as an author, pay someone to write a review for your book. Pay a few people there, get quite a few reviews in your book, and they would write a review in exchange for money. It is against Amazon's terms and conditions, and it's a big no-no. Now, Amazon is a huge company. They have plenty of money, and they've got very sophisticated software that they could easily find out, and find out if your reviews have been paid for. Okay, and if they do that, they can bar your account, because, close your account, that's it. Because it is against Amazon terms and conditions. So don't do it. Similarly to paying for reviews is don't offer incentives. I've seen ideas where people have said, oh yeah, offer them a gift if they write a review. So if they write a review for your book, they can get a gift. A similar one is people like say, oh, what about a prize draw? Prize draw is okay, isn't it? Because they may not get it or whatever, but you're saying, enter my, write a review for my book, and let me know that you've written a review, and as a thank you, this is how they say do it, then as a thank you, I'll enter into the draw for a new iPod or laptop or whatever it is. But you see, again, Amazon don't like this, and it's not going to be good for you anyway, because again, I'll explain later, but it doesn't give you the sort of review that's going to persuade readers actually into buying your book, the resulting in review that you get. So a little bit, to me, it's don't pay for reviews is a definite no-no, but offering incentives, in my view, and I'm sure Amazon's view as well, is you're still paying for the review. You just, instead of money, you're using something else. Okay. Don't swap reviews. Well, I was on a website, well, actually a Facebook page a while ago, and there was people saying, oh, I like your book, so if I write a review for your book, can you review mine? And I thought it was a bit harmless at first. I thought, well, yeah, there's no harm in it, and I was assured it wasn't against Amazon's rules, terms and conditions. So I thought, well, okay, they've been good enough to review my book. I'll take a look at their book. And I read the book, and usually, it was usually quite a good book, so I'd write a review about what I thought of the book. And so that seemed to work. But you see, I don't really, after a while, I stopped doing it. And in fact, I even stopped putting my book up for review on that page, because that's what people were doing. They were swapping reviews. You write a review for me, I'll write a review for you. But again, to me, it's like you're paying for the review, because you're paying them by writing a review for their book, and they're paying you for writing a review for their book, and their payment is to write a review for their book, okay? So it's still the same sort of thing. So don't do these things. So don't pay for reviews, don't offer incentives, and certainly don't swap reviews.